In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Steam downloads. If your games are downloading much more slowly than expected, there are a few settings inside Steam that can make a real difference. In many cases, the issue is not your internet connection itself, but how Steam is configured. So in this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple adjustments that can help improve your download speed and make your installs finish faster. First, open Steam and go to Settings, then select Downloads. This is the main area where Steam manages download behavior, and it's where we'll make all of the changes in this video. If your Steam downloads have been inconsistent, slow, or stuck at a lower speed than your connection normally allows, this is the best place to start. The first thing to check is your download region. Changing your download region is often the biggest improvement because Steam may be connecting you to a server that's farther away or more congested than necessary. In the download settings, find the download region option and switch it to a nearby server. For example, if you're in the Philippines, you can test nearby regions such as Manila, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or Japan. The goal is to choose a region that is close enough for good latency but not overloaded with traffic. After changing it, restart Steam and test your download speed again. If one region is still slow, try another nearby option until you find the best result. Next, if the region change doesn't fully solve the problem, stay in the download settings and clear the download cache. Click Clear Download Cache, then let Steam sign you out. After that, sign back in and try your download again. This can help if Steam is holding on to corrupted or outdated temporary data that may be interfering with performance. It's a quick reset that often helps restore normal download behavior. After that, check whether Steam is limiting your download speed. Still in Settings, then Downloads, look for the option that controls download speed limits. Make sure Limit Download Speed is either disabled or set to a value that actually matches your internet plan. Sometimes this setting gets enabled accidentally, and that can cap your speeds without you realizing it. If it's too low, Steam will never use the full bandwidth available to it. Once you've made these changes, test your download again and compare the results. In many cases, just switching the download region, clearing the cache, and removing limits can noticeably improve Steam performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.